Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all fine. In the previous class children, we have discussed the exercise 1.3, 8 up to 7 problems we completed children. So, now we are going to discuss exercise 1.3, 8 problem onwards children. In this class, we will conclude this chapter 1 children. So let's see the problem on the board. 8th problem. Find the area of the rectangular park which is 18 3 by 5 meter long and 8 2 by 3 meter broad. So see children, we have to find the area of the rectangular park. A park is in rectangle shape children. So this is the park, a rectangle shape children. So a park is in which shape children? Rectangle shape. A park is a rectangle shape and its length is given. How much is given children? 82 by 3. Length is given and breadth. Broad means nothing but children breadth. So breadth is 82 by 3 meter. So length of the rectangle and breadth of the rectangle is given children. We have to find the area of the rectangle. So because the park is in rectangle shape, we have to find the area of rectangle. First we will write given things children. What is given? Length of the rectangle. Given length of a rectangular part. The steps you have to write children. That is 82 by 3 meter. See children, observe this length. This length is in mixed fraction. So we have to simplify this one. 83 is how much children? 54. 54 plus 2. 56 by 3 meter. This is the length of the rectangle. Then next, what is given? Breadth of a rectangular part. Next, breadth of a rectangular part. So how much is given children? 82 by 3 meter. 82 by 3 meter. So this also we have to simplify this one. 83 is 24. 24 plus 2. 26 by 3 meters. So this is 5 children. Sorry. 18 2 by 5 meters children. This one. So 15 and 8 is how much children? 15 8 is 90. 90 plus 2 92 by 5 meter. This is 8 3 is 24. 24 plus 26 by 3 meter. Now you all know very well. We know that area of rectangle. Formula children. Area of rectangular part. So L into B. Length into breadth. What is LB? Length and breadth. Length into breadth. Length is 92 by 5 meter. Breadth is 26 by 3 meters. What we have to do children? Here we have to do multiplication. So numerator 92 into 26. Denominator 5 into 3. Any cancellations? No cancellations. Yes. 92 we have to multiply with 26. See children, 6 to 12, 6 9s 54, 55, 2 2s 4, 9 8. So 9, 2 3, 9 2 by 5 3 is 15 children. Meter square because meter into meter square. So 2392 by 15 meter square. So we can write this as a mixed fraction also children. Otherwise you can leave like that. So 2392 meter 15 by 15 meter square. Next problem children, 9th one. What number should minus 33 by 16 be divided by to get minus 11 by 4? See children, here dividend is given, quotient is given, but divisor we have to find. With which number minus 33 by 16 is divided, then the quotient will be minus 11 by 4. That means dividend is given, quotient is given, we have to find the divisor. So given dividend minus 33 by 16, quotient minus 11 by 4. So what we have to find? We have to find the divisor. So that divisor is, let divisor equal to some x. We don't know that numbers, so That's why I wrote by x. So, according to problem, how we will write children? Minus 33 by 16 is divided by x equal to minus 11 by 4. So, according to the problem, this only no step. See, minus 33 by 16 is divided by x. Then the quotient is minus 11 by 4. Minus 33 by 16 we divided by something to get minus 11 by 4. It means this. So, see, minus 33 by 16. What is the reciprocal of x, children? 1 by x. When we are writing reciprocal, division symbol will become into. So, into 1 by x equal to minus 11 by 4. So, I am giving this 1 by x here. We are taking this minus 33 by 16 to right side. So, then this will become, if it comes to right side, numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. So, see, denominator 16 will become numerator and numerator minus 33 will become denominator. Now, you see, 1 by x equal to minus 7 into 16 by 4 into minus 33. Any cancellations? 11 ones, 11 threes, 4 ones, 4 fours. So, 1 by x equal to, your minus also cancel, 4 by 3. 1 by x equal to 4 by 3, but we want the x. So, reverse of this is 3 by 4. Therefore, the divisor is 3 by 4. Okay, see children, next problem. If 36 trousers of equal sizes can be stitched with 64 meters of cloth, what is the length of the cloth required for each trouser? So, see children, total we are having 64 meters of cloth is there. With that 64 meters, how many trousers they are making? 36 trousers they prepared. So, what is the length of the cloth required to make one trouser? So, see children, first we will write the given content, given total length of the cloth, that is 64 meters children. Total length of the cloth is 64 meters. So, number of trousers prepared, stitched. How many trousers are stitched children? 36 trousers are stitched with this 64 meters of cloth. That means how much cloth is required for one trouser means we have to divide the total length of the cloth with the number of trousers. So, length of one trouser, length of cloth required for one trouser is 64 by meters by 36. See children, we will do the cancellation. That means this both will come in 4 table. 4 nines 36, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 24. That means 4 16 64, 4 nines 36. That means 16 by 9 meters. So see children, one trouser length is 16 by 9 meters of cloth is required to prepare one trouser. 16 by 9 meter length of the cloth is required. So that is the 10th problem. Last problem in this exercise children. That is also period and periodicity problem children. See, when the repeating decimal 0.36, 36, 36 and so on, then the repeating decimal is written in its simplest form, is written in its simplest fractional form, P by Q. Find the sum of P and Q. Find the sum P plus Q. So see children, repeating decimal is given 0.3636. That means How we will write 0.36 bar? So if it is written in its P by Q form, we will get P and Q values, no? That P Q values we have to add. So see children, given let x equal to 0.363636 and so on. Okay children. So this is condition 1. What is the period here? Here period is, you remember children, first Roman, second Roman problems. Period is whatever the repeating number, that is the period. 36. Periodicity children. What is the periodicity here? How many numbers are repeating here? 2 numbers are repeating. So periodicity is 2. If periodicity is 2, then equation 1 is multiplied with which number children? Is multiplied with the 100. So 100 into equation 1, that is 100 into x equal to 100 into 0.363636 and so on. Okay children. So then 100 into x, that is 100x. So here we are multiplying with 100 means 2 zeros are there. That means this point will move to right side 2 digits right. Then this will become 36.3636 and so on. This is condition 2. Okay children, up to here you understand. So now we have to subtract from 2. 1 we have to subtract from 2. Subtract equation 1 from 2. So that is equation 2 is 100x equal to 36.3636 and so on. Equation 1 is 0.3636 and so on. Here we are doing subtraction children. 100x minus x. From 100x we are subtracting 1x. Then 99x. Here 0, 0, 0, 0. 36 minus 0, 36 children. That is 99x equal to 36. Into 99 it will come this side means it will become x equal to 36 by 99. Any cancellation is there means we can cancel children. Yes, we will cancel.
33.
Yes, see children. 9 table. 9 11s, 9 4s. So that is x equal to 4 by 11 we got. Now what we have to do? So this x is nothing but what is this? P by Q form. P by Q. What we have to find? P plus Q. That is 4 plus 11, 15. So we got P plus Q 4. 4 plus 11, 15. Like this we have to do this problem children. This is the most important problem. Yes children. So through this problem we have entered this chapter children. In this chapter we discussed the definition of the rational number and infinite rational numbers exist between two rational numbers, and to find the between number we have found the formula a plus b by 2, that means the sum of the two rational numbers by 2, and to find the some set of numbers between two rational numbers we used one method, and then non-terminating repeating decimal is there. This is the non-terminating repeating decimal. In non-terminating decimal repeating decimal to convert into p by q form, we used this method children, period and periodicity. What is period children? The repeated number is period, and how many numbers are repeating, that number is the periodicity children. Here 2 digits are repeating, so periodicity is 2. If the periodicity is 2, we have to multiply with 100. If periodicity is 1, we have to multiply with 10. If periodicity is 3, we have to multiply with 1000. Not only this children, we have learned rational numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In division children, to change the division into multiplication form, we will write the divisor as a reciprocal of the divisor, then the division will change into multiplication. Like this, all these things we learned in the first chapter, rational numbers children. To continuation this, we will have second chapter children, linear equations in one variable. So in that chapter, whatever the addition, multiplications we did, like that problems also we will get in the second chapter, children. So be thorough with this first chapter.